Okay, good day, guys, and welcome. So there's this question from JAM 2008, question 18, which I believe is also important for those who are preparing for their exams, the Mass Olympiad included. Now, this question says, find the value of t for which the determinant of the matrix, bracket open, t minus 4, 0, 0, minus 1, t plus 1, 1, 3, 4, t minus 2, bracket close, is 0. Quickly, in solving this, we write solution. Solution. Now, in finding the value of t when the determinant of our matrix is 0, we proceed by using the process of finding the determinant of a matrix. So first of all, we quickly write our matrix that we've been given, bracket open, t minus 4, 0, 0, minus 1, t plus 1, 1, 3, 4, t minus 2, or bracket close. Now we proceed as if we're looking for the determinant of the matrix. So we'll take the first element there, which is in row 1, column 1. That's t minus 4. I'll find the determinant of the matrix, the other part of the matrix other than row 1, column 1. So the other part of the matrix is t plus 1, 1, 4, t minus 2, minus, now we'll go to row 1, column 2, I'll take 0. I'll find the determinant of other part of the matrix that does not include the whole of row 1 and the whole of column 2. So we have minus 1, 1, 3, t minus 2. All right, lastly, we have plus 0. Find the determinant. This 0 is taken from row 1, column 3. Now we find the determinant of the other part of the matrix that does not include the row 1 and column 3. And we end up having minus 1, t plus 1, 3, 4. And we're told that our determinant will be equal to 0. Now we'll proceed further, and from the our first expression here, where we have t plus 1, 1, 4, and t minus 2, we cross multiply the sort. Now we're going to have t minus 4, bracket open, t minus 1, bracket close, times t plus 1, bracket close, times t minus 2, bracket close, minus, we have 4 times 1 giving us 4, bracket close, all equal to 0. We note that the other terms would give us 0, will be equals to 0. Hence, no need to write them out in order for us to save our time and save us the stress also. So we proceed, and we have t minus 4, bracket open, t times t, we have t squared, t times minus 2, we have minus 2t, then we have 1 plus 1 times t, we have plus t, then we have plus 1 times minus 2 gives us minus 2. We bring down our minus 4, bracket close, all these will be equal to 0. We solve further, we have t minus 4, bracket open, t squared. Now minus 2 plus t gives us minus t. Now minus 2 minus 4 gives us minus 6, bracket close, all equal to 0. Now we equate both terms in our expression. We equate them to 0. So we have have t minus 4 will be equal to 0. Separate the term. We have t squared minus t minus 6 is also equal to 0. T minus 4 equals 0. We take minus 4 to the other side of our equal to. We end up having t is equal to 4 as our answer, and this is a part of our expression. When in this other end of our expression, we proceed as followed by looking for the factors of minus 6, two factors of minus 6 that when added gives us minus 1. So we have t squared. The factors of minus 6 that when added will give us minus 1 are minus 3 and plus 2. Hence, we end up having t squared minus 3t plus 2t minus 6 is equal to 0. We factor out t from t squared minus 3t. So we have t, bracket open, t minus 3, bracket close. We're left with plus 2t minus 6. We factor out plus 2. This gives us bracket open t minus 3, bracket close, all equal to 0. We proceed and we end up having bracket open t minus 3, bracket close, bracket open t plus 2, bracket close, equal to 0. All right. Now we'll proceed further by equating t minus 3 equals 0. Here we have t plus 2 also equal to 0. T minus 3 equals 0, as we said earlier on. So we have this becomes t is equal to, we take minus 3 to the other side of our equal to, and we end up having 3t equal to 3. While at this other end, we have t plus 2. This is the same thing as t equal to. Plus 2 moves to the other side of our equal to. We end up having minus 2. Therefore, the values of t are equal to 4, 3, minus 2.